time for this, man. I ain't got time. A motherfucking time. If I see another motherfucking nigga wearing this kitty motherfucking jeans, I'ma slap his motherfucking simple motherfucking head. Some of my bitch. My bed is fucking messy, and I can't be fucking nuts to fix this shit. I'm fucking tired, nigga. I ain't got time for this. It's Bernie Mac, nigga. Obviously, it's calming for the reason that I done this. What are you expecting an intro or an outro? Fuck you, blood.
This is what Edmonton does. They cage us up. Look. This?
You're not supposed to take video.
Rocco, move.
Excuse me. You're not supposed to take video inside.
Listen. They caged us up. We can't even walk inside.
You are not supposed to. Just chill. I can serve you.
Brother, listen.
Oh shit. He said he can't serve us.
Just listen. Yo, stop filming, man.
Okay, fine.
Stop filming, man.
Okay, fine.
Bye, New York. It's been real. I had too much fun. Goodbye. I'll miss my black. BK, I'll miss my boo across the street. I'll miss everybody.
One Mario, no Luigi. Is it really?
Salwa, the fuck is wrong with you now? Who you trying to hate on, nigga? Furahana kuku farena na ya. Salwa. Oh, okay, make a video about me. You wanna be famous? Bitch ass. I hate dumbass hoes. Stay out of me. Who are you? Yatai. And when I say Yata, I don't mean your tribe. I keep saying, who are you? I don't mean your tribe. Yata, who are you? You're nobody. Me, I'm shining, dog. No lie, every day, nigga. Hello was crazy. Shout out to anybody from Boston. Shout out to Boston, man. If you're from Boston, I gotta say, your Halimos in Boston. Ilahi Amarkis is your boss, man. The hot boy. You know what I'm saying? Always shining, dog. I just woke up. Tell me where the shisha at. Forget the drugs right now, man. Yeah? Some crazy. I woke up to this post that crazy, beautiful, half Somali, half Sudan, says the posted about some dude saying he has a fetish for a woman on her period. I think it's the end of times, man. Judgment Day is near. Niggas be like, I want to eat a chick that's on her period. Oh, we got the chore niggas in the building. We got Asset Award. With that family is in the building. What's up, lag long, chains long, forehead long now. Me and bitch niggas, broke bitches. Allah, we don't get along, sahib.
Bubble butt. Hey guys. Hey Keek Stars. Swaki. What's up? That's Safa. And we are just, you know, walking in the neighborhood. There's my daughter. There's Egypt. What a platinum, what's a gold, what's that thing called? Pacifier. Oh my god. Okay. Bye.
I want to buy a camera for my Instagram pictures because I feel like my iPhone's not doing good.
We're gonna pop it up tonight. Woo, baby! Yeah, juicy boosy.
Show what they're working with, girl.
Attention to those women who have big thighs. This is definitely not our season. Baby powder, that's all I gotta say. Baby powder.
Fuck shisha. Shut up! You shut up! Shut up!
Ain't nobody gonna stop me.
Hi, Keek. Me and Molly just got pulled over. First time ever.
I ate Somali, and then one day my mom was like, "Your house," and I'll probably be with her, and then you're there like, "Hi, I'm Hasubia, I'm
Fuck shisha, fam. Like, fucking, listen, yeah, you get fucking the lick. Everyone get Rose Gardens, yeah? Yeah. It's fucking shit. I don't know what the hype is about.
We're at Starbucks. We're gonna speak Somali.
We made it.
Salam alaikum. No. Has English that has here. Haran wa. But has Somali horta halal maxaa ka dhigi sheeg adiga.
Oh, yes, say hi, Keek.
Hi, Keek.
And what are you eating?
Hi, Keek.
Broke my back. I can't believe this. I can't work. I literally broke my back.
Hey Keek, so I just wanted to suggest, recommend for you guys to go watch Halima Diaries on YouTube. It's so funny. Dani, she was in it. She was so funny. Shout outs to her, and obviously to Mr. Salad, who like created the whole thing and recorded it and everything. It's so funny, and obviously he made like SomaliKeekNation. Like, we should be grateful for him. I thank you, because like making my life so much more fun. But no, seriously, go watch Halima Diaries on YouTube. It's so funny.
Also, something I forgot to add to my previous Keek is shout out to the SomaliKeekNation, because that allows like so many different Somalis from all around the world to interact with each other, and I think it's pretty cool. And also, there's a lot of funny people, like a lot of funny Somalis, and I'm like, what? You guys are so hilarious. Yeah. So shout out to Mr. Salad. He's got a good head on him. I've just been stalking his page today.
And I just want to give a shout out to Mr. Salad, the guy who makes the Keek Nation video and Halima Diaries. They're so funny. Thank you for taking your time. Entertaining us. I don't know. Just love you. Bye.
Hey Keek.
Hey Keek.
So my issue with Keek is, why are you Somalians always getting at other Somalians' Keeks? So why can't you guys let each other live?
And why are you guys always showing your tongue? Like, why? You know how many tongues I've seen on Keek? Nobody wants to see your damn tongue.
Do it. Hey Keek.
Hey Keek.
Honestly, we watch some of you guys' videos and we just die of laughter. You guys are actually some kooks. Kook. Okay, bye. Faye, I know you're watching this, bitch!
A lot of people have been calling Somalis Malis, and Mali is, I don't think they know, but Mali is a whole different country in West Africa.
Told you I'd be here forever, said I'll always be your friend, so for now I'm sticking out to the end.
For what? Who you didn't watch that?
Now take off your head down.
Slowing down my phone because there's like 100 notifications every time I check my phone. Shaqaratsu walalo. So all I can say, shaqala'ana ku hese, shaqaratsu.
Okay, so Keek, I went to Minnesota with my mom. I went to Minneapolis, which is also, people like to say it's a little Mogadishu. But anyways, I went with my mom, and like, the Somalis in Minnesota have like attitude problems, okay? So I'd just be walking around town, and I'm a really nice person, so especially to the Somali people. And then I'd see a Somali and I'd wave at them, or I'd say hi to them or smile at them, and they'd look at me like I'm like, well, fuck you, okay? Like, I'm just trying to be kind to you. So you know what? If you don't want it, fuck you.
What up, Keek? It's me, Shamsi here. So it's really, really cold here where I live, and of course I'm gonna wear a big jacket so that I feel warm and everything. But then my friends come up to me and they're like, Shamsa, that jacket makes you look like a fob. And I'm like, well, that statement makes you look arrogant. So, I mean, I don't understand why me wearing a big ass jacket to stay warm makes me look like a fob. Remember, you were once a fob, so before you call someone else a fob, think about it twice. Bye.
Literally my favorite part of Qabila.
Hey Keek, what's up? Let me just show you my makeup, okay? Look, it's called Natural. See that? Who's that cute girl? That's me. Hey! Back to me in real life. What's up? Oh shit. GG.
From stressing you out, why don't you go? You're wasting your time with your lies, oh. You've been breaking me down, now it's enough, 'cause you'll do it again and again, oh. I hope that you'll be gone soon, I can't take
1051 is the Breakfast Club. Good morning. We got a special chef in the building this morning.
Who didn't bring any breakfast.
No food.
Oh, well, I'm also Somali, so I have good genes,
Okay.
Quick metabolism. So I just like to eat, and I figured if I wanted to eat the way I wanted to eat all the time, I'll have to figure out how to cook. So.